Hey everyone, welcome back to another live trading series. A bunch of news, a bunch of trades to make today. First thing I want to show you guys is, where is it? Fastly. If you take a look at Fastly, if I just filter real quick. Fastly. They changed, I think it was their revenue outlook by 3%. Where is it? Change the revenue outlook by 3%, stock tanked 25% in one day. So take a look at these naked calls I sold. This one expires in 2 days. I made, what was this, $400 or $390, and now it's worth $5. This is insane. And then another one expires 2 weeks out, made over $1,000, and now it's only worth $300. I'm gonna let this ride. I'm still $50 away, $60 away. I don't think it'll increase by, what is it, 70% in just 2 weeks. So I'm gonna let these ride. I'm gonna let these expire worthless, and if not, we'll manage it when it gets there. So I'm just letting these ride. Maybe they'll be reflected in my October monthly income. A couple other ones. Bank of America. I ended up selling the Strangles. If you watch a video a few weeks ago, I sold these Strangles for $11.30, and now after their earnings, they had an earnings miss and everything kind of tanked. So the call, I can close it out early, November 20th. I'm still over a month away. And now these puts, I can close them out. Obviously, this is a little more than 50%, but I want to be done with both of these. And I'm going to roll out this Strangle another 30 days. So if I go here, close this out. Let's just close for asking or bidding. Let's just follow the ask price, $120. Let's hope that gets called away right away. Boom. So this, I closed out for $120. So I made $340 on that one. Over here, let me just close this one out for $380. Follow bid, follow the ask price. Buy to close, $380. And then let's roll them out. Plus this minus 380. So I'm going to sell another Strangle on Bank of America for the December 15th, I believe, or December 18th, was it? Strangle, December 18th. Let's go sell 10. December 18th. Sell the call. I'm still comfortable with 28. And then if we sell the put, let's see what 21 gives us. That's not bad. 21. That's not bad. Making $700 on this. It's a lot less, but I am going a little safer. Should I do 27? Let's do a little riskier. Let's go 27. I'm okay with this, $830. I will update this spreadsheet. You'll see it in my month end. I do want to take a look at what Twitter is doing. If we take a look at Twitter, I have a lot to close today. So my Twitter Strangle, I can close this out. I sold it for $80 a contract, close this out for $18. But then this one, let's see what Twitter's looking like. I thought Twitter went down. I thought I'd be able to close this out for a little more. If we take a look at Twitter, it's at $44. My Strangle is at $34.50. So I do think they're both safe. I'm not sure what to do here. Should I roll them out to the future? If we look at, let's see what Twitter's doing. If we sell November, if we sell like 45 days out, this is definitely interesting. I'm going to close out. I think I'm not really sure what to do with Twitter. I can close this out for a profit for sure. So let's say buy to close, $180. So here, sold it for $800. Closed for $180, made around $620 here. But you take a look at this one, I'm obviously going to close it at a loss and have to roll it out. So this is rolling up and out, I guess. So I'd probably sell for the 55 call. I just want to know what Twitter would sell for in November 20th for the 55 call. I wonder if that's even possible. How long is this video? Not too long. 55, 70. Yeah, this is not that good. I can't roll it out. Take a look here, guys. Ooh, I lost it. You see here, like I can close it for $99, but if I were to sell it $5 out a month later, it is only worth 76. So I'd be losing money. I'm not too comfortable doing that. I have to revisit this. I'll probably film more trades. I'll have to come back to this. Like, see, I want to sell it another 30 days out, but I won't make any money. It is kind of frustrating. I can't sell for 51, 52, 53. Like it jumps by $5. And it's way too close to sell for $50 here. I'll have to revisit this in the future. Another one I kind of want to close out. TD Bank. It expires in a few days. So this expires worthless, thankfully, my call. But my put, right now TD this is in the money. Oh, it's not it's out of the money. I'm going to close this and roll it down. Right now it's at the $60 strike. I want to roll it to the 58 strike. So if we go here, follow bid, let's follow the ask. Okay, that's a big spread. I'm not going to sell. That's a 43. Buy to close for $215. I do want that order filled. Amazing. $215. So let's go cash secured puts, TD. I think it was this. I can't recall exactly. I'll update this. I am going to roll it down to the 58 strike, and it's going to be around 45 days to expiration. Hopefully I can get more than this. TD Bank, I'm going to go November 20th for 58 strike. Nice, this is amazing. Look at this. I can sell it, let's say for 0.92, sell. Sell to open, $460, 0.92. I wonder if that'll get filled, but I can adjust this. This is good. Take a look. So I'm in, like, you know, previously I was able to make 320. Now I can possibly make 460 total. I do like that I'm rolling it down 2 strikes. Another one that's kind of worrying me is Air Canada. I'm only like 30 cents away. Air Canada, I sold for, like, yeah, 32. If we take a look at what Air Canada is trading for right now, 15.46. You know, I'm only 45 cents away. That is kind of close to getting called. If I can close this out for a gain and roll it to November 20th, I would. Let's say, yeah, take a look at this, guys. I can close it out for 17 cents now and then sell for way, way more. Let's do that. I just hope, you know, they have earnings soon. I just hope it doesn't drop into the 14s or into the 13s. Let's show you how that's done. So I have 30 contracts for 17. I can buy it back for 17 cents. Look at that. Follow the ask. Let's try to close it out for 15. Buy to close, $450. That's a lot. So if we go here, minus 450. And then hopefully I can sell. What is the... It is kind of hard to get it filled. There's not much volume on it. You see here, like the bids, yeah, no one's selling. This is kind of frustrating. Let me sell. Bidding, asking. Let me sell 0.87. I wouldn't mind that. So this will be, I'm selling 30 contracts for 2,600 Canadian. This would be great if I could get this filled. Oh, wow. And it got filled right away. Order filled. 30 contracts at the 14th strike, 87. I love this. So let me just move this up a little. See here, I was at the 15 strikes. When I'm at 14, I'm using $3,000 less. Instead of 15 days, this was 15 days to expiration. I'll go, this was 45 days to expiration, 0.8. Forgot what I sold it for, 0.87. Yeah. So look, check out the difference on this. Just timing. Just the timing was right. Oh, hopefully their earnings come out. I can close this out for a little less. I do want this other order to get filled. Partial. Order partially filled, 7. What do? I think I have to modify. I do want to get the rest of this filled. Just because, yeah, so I do have some margin. I'm going to let this sit for the rest of the day. I do want to get it filled at 15. I don't want to get it filled at 17. Is that all I have for this video? This is a long video. Afria, that's not too bad. AMD, you know, not enough. I'm not making enough to close these out. I'm doing pretty well on these. What else? What else are we looking at? Fastly, I can open up new ones. I'll let this expire worthless. Spotify, I'm doing great. Uvixi, not doing that great. Oh, guys, what do I do? I'm a little lost. I do have a lot to manage. I'm going to open up more Fastly puts. FSLY. So right now I have naked calls. So if I go November 6th, because they dropped so much, I'm sure the premiums would be great. If I look at the 70 for 2 weeks from now, let me do 3 contracts at the 70 strike. Let's go 155, sell. $465, 3 at the 70 strike. Let's hope that gets filled. I will check later on just to make sure all my orders get filled. Sell to open accepted. They're not accepting my... Let me come down to 90. Sell, just to get this in. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna... Let me update this. Fastly, 155. Cash secured puts. Let me just include it here so you guys can see it. Fastly, this is the 70 strike, days to expiration. This was I think it was 20 days. Contracts 3. And we are looking at 155. Amazing. So I'm only, you know, tying up 6,000 capital. Okay, guys, this is getting to a long video. My lighting seems a little low. I'm going to stop this now. Hopefully I can film one of these a week. I am filming during my lunchtime. So it's a little weird. I might do these a little rushed. I'm going to try to plan more thought out videos and do my trades ahead of time so I can do it pretty quick. And then I'll probably make one next week where I update you on if these are filled, properly update all my schedules to let you know how much money I'm making per month. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Tune into the next one. Thanks, guys.